So, got my A.S.P heavy hauler button box. Um, Figured I review it. I set this for lights. Cruise, they're buttons. It doesn't matter which way you turn them. Switches here. Drop axle, I programmed it. Trailer drop axle. And beacons. Horn, it's a simple button. Display. Wipers. Take job. Engine brake. High beam. And key. Trailer brake. Parking brake. Fuel, you just press it and it goes in. Hazard lights. Trailer attached trailer. And I also got a CB mic with it, which is an option. So I guess that's reviewing it. I have the blue backlighting. These things just snaps on. These are removable. You need to unscrew these. So yeah, that's about it.